So like the GoDonut, this is the GoDonut 360. What makes it different? Well, it's the stand that's built into it. It comes right off and it's got a 360 swivel built into it. Now, the stand has these 4 little pegs that go right onto the bottom of the GoDonut, and basically you just line the pegs up and stick it in, and it swivels. So let's put in a phone. Let's say we want to do a phone like this here. We can have it like this, or we can have it swivel to the left, swivel to the right, or do a 360. Perhaps you want to do something like a pano or something like that, something cool with the camera feature. That would work also. So the 360 works amazing. It allows you to swivel the device any direction you want. So if you want to have a conversation with someone and you're doing, let's say, a video chat, and then you want to switch it around to the other person on the other side of you, great, you can easily do that. Simple idea, but works really, really well. The other thing that you can do is you can add on this feature here. It just slides into the bottom, and it basically takes that 360 and locks it into one spot, so it doesn't swivel anymore. So whether or not you want to use the phone as a 360 or just a stationary device, maybe you're in the kitchen and you want to follow directions. And again, it works with your phones, your tablets, with any of these things, and it works just super simple and it's super durable. And if you want to make it back to swivel, all you'll do is take off that little piece, and again, it will start swiveling. Just a fantastic idea, and I look forward to seeing what other accessories that the GoDonut folks make for this device. This is John. Here's a couple other videos that you might like, and feel free to subscribe.